That is the work done in the graphically if I go for this one. So if the graph is in the clockwise direction, in this direction, that is the pressure versus volume is this. So it is moving in a circle like this, and this is the direction in the clockwise sense it has been. So this type of the work done is an positive work, and if the graph or the it's going to be moving in an, and the value of the work done will be for this case can be written as an pi into radius of the pressure into radius of the volume. Pi into pressure radius into volume radius. This is going to be the case now. So if they move in another case like this, that is in an anti-clockwise sense, the work done will be considered as a negative. Right, Nana? So now if I deal with the specific heat and ante specific heat, how do you define? It is written by the S or C is equal to 1 by m into this is dq by dt. And molar specific heat also the same thing. Molar specific heat, it is represented by the C, which is dq by numerator n into dt, where n represents for number of moles. Okay, sir. So in these cases, Cp is called as an specific heat or molar heat capacity at constant pressure. Okay, and Cv is specific heat at constant volume. So volume they get a constant. So as you know that always you can say that Cp will be greater than, in this case is going to be the Cv, or Cv will be less than this one, and Cp by Cv is equal to the gamma, and Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Suppose in terms of if you want to K R by J, any case here, and Cp in terms of the gamma, these are the different relations. Gamma R by gamma minus 1, correspondingly Cv is equal to R by gamma minus 1. So next case, degrees of freedom are degree of freedom. So what is this degrees of freedom terms? So gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by F, where F is called as a degree of freedom. Degree of freedom. Okay, Nandi? So దీనికి సంబంధించినంత వరకు what is this degrees of freedom అంటే ఒక మాలిక్యూల్ ఎన్ని డైరెక్షన్స్ లో దాని ఎనర్జీని స్టోర్ చేసుకోగలదు. ఓకేనా? ఆర్ ఇంకో రకంగా మాట్లాడుకోవాలి అంటే a molecule in how many dimensions or directions it can move freely అంటారు. ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్నీ కూడా మనకి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయిన ఫార్ములాస్ అన్న గామా ఫార్ములా కానీ సిపి ఫార్ములాస్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ కూడా. సో వీటి నుంచి ఎలా తీసుకోవచ్చు మనం అంటే గనక, సో ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్యాస్ ఈజ్ monoatomic and next one is diatomic. Okay, and the next one is triatomic or polyatomic. So now what are the CV, Cp and the gamma values for that one? Monoatomic will be the 3R by 2 and this is equal to the 5R by 2. Cp by Cv రాసుకుంటే ఎంత నాన్న ఇది? That is 5 by 3 వస్తున్నానండి. So 5 by 3 can also be written as an 1.67. Please be careful of this one. Yes, Nana, 5 by 3 ముందు పేజ్ ఎవరికో కావాలంటే ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి ఇది. Somebody please. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్. Cp minus Cv ఒకటి, Cp ఫార్ములా ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ గామా R by gamma minus 1, Cv formula R by gamma minus 1, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ వే. సో కాబట్టి కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. Right, now I'm going to the next page, Nana, continuation. Now diatomic అయితే కనుక ఇది ఎంత నాన్న 5R by 2. This will be the 7R by 2 and final volume is 7 by 5. What is the value of the 7 by 5 is? What is the value of the 7 by 5 is? It is equal to the 1.41. Next, for the polyatomic, this is going to be the 3R and this one 4R. And finally, there is going to be the 4 by 3 ne kada migiledi, which is can be written as an 1.33. So these are the values you need to remember now. Tappadu దీన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిందే. And internal energy, that is du of 1 mole of a gas is, in the sense dV by dt is equal to 3 by 2 times of RT. Okay, na? So like this is the du relationship. Now if I go for the further thing, that is specific heats of mixtures కి అంటే కలిపితే రెండు వేరే వేరే గ్యాస్ రెండు మోనోలు కలపచ్చు, మోనో డై అన్నా కలపచ్చు. ఆ విధంగా then Cv is equal to N1 Cv1 plus N2 Cv2 by N1 plus N2. Okay, na? So this is the relationship for the Cv, and simultaneously, obviously, a Cp of the mixture will be equal to the N1 Cp1 plus N2 Cp2 by ఏం చేయాలి? This is going to be the N1 plus N2. From this one, gamma of the mixture can be written as an Cp of the mixture by, this is Cv of the mixture. Right, sir? So this is the basic thing regarding the thermometer or mixture of gases conditions.